everyone, and welcome back. Again, my name is Jessica Long, the VP of Human Resources, and this week we'll be going over the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. We'll be going over exactly what is the EEOC, the laws and regulations, our responsibilities, employee rights, investigations and complaints, and what is expected of you. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, otherwise known as the EEOC, is a government agency that was created by the Civil Rights Act of 1964. The purpose of the EEOC is to interpret and enforce federal laws prohibiting discrimination. In order to achieve this goal, the EEOC holds hearings, administers equal employment opportunity laws, issues regulations for interpreting the law, litigates discrimination cases, and mediates settlements. There are numerous laws and amendments, as well as a handful of executive orders, which have expanded, limited, or directed the Commission's responsibilities and authorities. There are too many to go over them all today, but some important laws include the Executive Order 9981 that provides equal treatment for persons in the armed services, Equal Pay Act of 1963 that protects men and women who do equal work from work discrimination, and the Civil Rights Act of 1964 which applies to private employers, labor unions, and employment agencies, and it prohibits discrimination in recruitment, hiring, wages, assignment, promotions, benefits, discipline, discharge, layoffs, and almost every aspect of employment. There are many responsibilities for us, too many to name in a short video, but some important ones include helping to prevent discrimination by following the laws of the EEOC, train managers, supervisors, and employees the EEO laws, enforce it and hold them accountable, foster open communication and early dispute resolution. This can help minimize the chance of misunderstandings, which can escalate into legally actionable EEO problem. Recruit, hire, and promote with EEO principles in mind by implementing practices designed to widen and diversify the pool of candidates. Analyze the duties, functions, and competencies relevant to jobs. We can create objective, job-related qualification standards that are related to those duties, functions, and competencies, and we have to make sure they are consistently applied when choosing among the candidates. One of the biggest priorities of the EEOC is to protect the employees. Under the EEOC, employees have rights, which include not being harassed or discriminated against, which is being treated less favorably, because of race, color, religion, sex, national origin, disability, age, which is 40 or older, or genetic information, including family medical history. They need to receive equal pay for equal work, receive reasonable accommodations, changes to the way things are normally done at work that are needed because of their medical conditions or beliefs, if required by law. Expect that any medical information or genetic information that they share with us will be kept confidential. Report discrimination, participate in discrimination investigation or lawsuit, or oppose discrimination without being retaliated against for doing so. If an employee feels they have been discriminated against, they do have the right to file a complaint with the EEOC, which will be investigated. The video on this slide provides information on the complaint investigation process. Again, it's a little longer video, so I do encourage you to come back and check it out after this is over. As a manager, there are certain responsibilities that are expected of you. Firstly, maintain a work atmosphere that is safe from discrimination. Receive and administer proper training on all EEO procedures. If an employee expresses that they are being harassed or discriminated against, report that behavior immediately. When hiring a new employee, just ensure that new hiring is based on qualifications only and is not based on race, religion, national origin, sex, or age. And if a complaint is filed against the company, please remember that that person filing the complaint cannot be retaliated against. In conclusion, providing a workplace where all individuals are safe from discrimination is imperative to having a successful workplace and work atmosphere. Ensuring that our employees are continued to be treated fairly and that all regulations provided by the EEOC are enforced is very important in making sure that happens. Together, we can help to provide a safe and responsible workplace free from discrimination. I want to thank you all for taking the time for this presentation. If you have any further questions or concerns, please contact the HR office, or you can also visit the EEO website at the address provided.